Now we understand Lstrip method. This is very interesting method. First we'll write the syntax. That's for Lstrip string dot Lstrip and then character. Default it is taking space. Now let's see the example. Text variable equal to string, then dot dot dot, then WAASS, then comma BANA banana. Now I am defining x equal to text dot Lstrip, and now what we have to do, we have to define the character in string format that we want to remove. Like we have to remove dot WAS and comma. Now what it is doing, this is doing like this dot WAS, the leading character where it is starting from dot WAS comma, it will remove that characters. Let's see. Now we print x. So what it has done, it is remove all the characters starting from we have defined here. So like the dot, starting character is dot, so it will remove all the dots. The starting character is W, it's removed all W. The A, it remove all A, starting from A, and S, it all characters starting from S, it is removed, and then comma, it remove all commas starting from. But what if I write here B also? Let's see. Now what happened? It removed B as A is already taken, so it removed A also. So all leading characters we have mentioned here that was removed. Leading characters mean starting characters, where the starting is from W dot ASB comma, it remove all letter. So this is Lstrip method. Let's see another example. I'm taking text equal to, I'm giving a space BANA x equal to text dot Lstrip, I'm giving nothing, and then print x. So what it did, it printed, so it remove all spaces. So default it is taking space, it will remove all spaces if we are not giving any character. So this is Lstrip method.